Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with a Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for January 23rd, 2024. What are we watching? We're watching divergences, but markets that don't want to go down. Why don't they want to go down? Because certain of the leaders refuse to go lower. Netflix right now is up about 30 points after hours. So just keep that in mind. A lot of things not going down yet, even if they're divergences. So what do I mean by divergences? Well, I want to show you this. On the left is going to be the bond market. In fact, we just did it on a graphic that I got from the Marketeer. So the Marketeer is just some site that shows some interesting statistics, but it's trying to get you to join the site, so I don't join it. But here you go. You know, I've showed this before. Here's the NASDAQ and the rates. The NASDAQ's up here. The inverse Treasury yield is down here. That's a big, big divergence. As you see, the bonds and the treasuries have gone together. Another way to look at that is this way. You put on the left the bond market. This is the 30-year bond, not the TNX, which is a 10-year note. And on the right, we'll put the NDX. Now, we could overlay them, or you could just do them like this. As you see, into the end of October, they correlated beautifully, right here. End of October. There. I did the scale wrong. There you go. Beautifully. Until now. Look at that big divergence. The key that I've seen before, and I've seen it over and over and over, is it's the point of no return. You have to see these bonds probably decisively break that red line, the 50 moving average. Get down to here. And then it's going to be such a divergence that the NASDAQ has to notice. That's the way it looks to me. We're not there yet. I just want to make that clear. We're not there yet, which means that in here, I am going to do what I usually do, which is look for consolidation formations, and we can pound the markets when we see those consolidation formations. So what are we talking about in there? We're talking about this. I don't like to be a hero, all right? Just don't like to be a hero. Now, let me just clear something with you here. And that's this that you're seeing. Netflix is up 30. Well, now it's up 27. If you want that NASDAQ to start to follow the bond market that you see here on the upper left, you need to see NASDAQ stocks get nailed like the Netflix. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Netflix sell off after the conference call. Texas Instruments, all-time high. Yeah, there you go. We have seen this over and over and over now, where stocks that close near their all-time high come out with earnings. The bar is so high, they disappoint, which is exactly what happened. So I wouldn't be surprised to see more like that. I wouldn't be surprised to see more, whether it's Amazon, whether it's Apple, whether it's Meta, and they're coming up. So if those disappoint, like Texas just has, it's down 6 points, definitely that would get the NASDAQ to behave more relative to the bond market. So that's what we're going to watch in the next couple of days and in the next 2 weeks with all the earnings coming out. And I will look to lean short when I see this. Intraday. I'm not talking about this second. I'm talking about this. This is how we've been making money. Bear flags. Whether it's Texas Instruments, whether it's Netflix, intraday. Looking for those bear flags, and we're going to stick with that. That's because there's a divergence between bonds and stocks, so these bear flags are more likely to work. We're going to stick with that, and that's how we're going to play for the next 2 weeks, unless I see a positive divergence. And I watch the bond market go crazy while markets go down. Take care. Have a great night. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.